So I got these Ohlins road and track coilovers for my E90 M3, and trying to upgrade to these Powerflex bushings instead of using these beat up OEM ones. So there's no clear instructions, so I'm just gonna try to figure it out. So if you look at the instructions, it tells you to cut a dust boot that comes with it. It tells you to cut it 82 millimeters from the bottom. And after that, you're gonna use the OEM stud washer, which is this black thing right here. After that, it wants you to insert the stud rubber in the stud cover, but the stud rubber is obviously this Powerflex one. So you wanna go ahead and just lubricate it with the silicone, whatever they came with it. So I went ahead and did that, and then it came, because mine had a EDC, mine came with the spacer, so I went ahead and put in that. After that, you're gonna reuse your stud cover, which is this right here. I'm just gonna slap that on, and then just slap. Basically, it's just you cut the the dust boot, and then you put the washer in there, and then you can see it's in there. Settle that in. So once that's ready to go, it also comes with one more, which is this right here. So this is what's going to hold it from inside the trunk liner. So basically, once you feed the shock through into the car, you'll see that. You'll see the spacer sticking out. You just want to go ahead and just put the other bushing from the Powerflex and then a spacer on top. That's pretty much it. And then you just want to go ahead and just tighten it down. You are finished with that. So the Powerflex, these bushings, they do come with 4 spacers, and I'm assuming that the other spacers would take place of using the stud washer. But I just went ahead and just used that OEM one, and just not gonna put this one on. Here's a little angle from the inside. I also have the Fall Line Motorsports rear tail control arm. And I'm upgrading from the ISE coilovers. They were okay. They were really good for street use, but more for like a track. Just wasn't cutting it out, so I upgraded